Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I want to welcome back all my subscribers and welcome to all my new viewers. So we're in pre-market today. It's early. Right here, my Robinhood account looks like everything is green. I only see CMG, which is Chipotle, is down a little bit. And we're just going to cover my top stocks really quickly. But I just wanted to share, we've got green early market trading. All right, so we still have at the top, Stitch Fix, or ticker SFIX, is up 14% off a great earnings call yesterday, late afternoon. So Stitch Fix, the online closed subscriber, is up. And another ticker we have up, WEN, or Wendy's, is up 9%. So that is awesome. I know that they've been working on a breakfast type sandwich and bringing in customers during the breakfast hours. And so Wendy's this morning is up 9%. Ticker symbol UAVS, otherwise known as AG Aerial Systems, is up 7%. Now this is a drone play. There's talk that drones could be working with companies like UPS or USPS, or even working with Amazon, delivering and dropping off packages. So I'm staying in this. It's been a bumpy ride. Earlier this year, it was shot up to $14 per share, but now it's back into the sixes. So just keep that in the back of your mind, UAVS. Next ticker symbol we have is Marvel Technologies, ticker symbol MRVL, and they are up 5%. And let's see, AMC is up as well. Let me see if I see anything else up. RBLX, that's Roblox. Roblox is up in pre-market trading, up 1.72%. Okay, so I just want to do a deep dive into 2 or 3 stocks. Wendy's, if we're looking at it, the overall chart, let's look at the last 6 months. Has been up and down, but in pre-market, it is broke out of its range from $20 to $22 per share to $25 per share. So that must have been some good news. Wendy's breaks out. It looks like Wendy's brought in some new product. Oh, they brought back the strawberry chicken salad. Okay, I remember that. So Wendy's bringing back new product. Okay, so CNBC says Wendy's making big moves. And again, like I said just a moment ago, they doubled down on the breakfast menu. So that means they just must be getting some traction. That's why I got involved with the stock about a year ago, was because I knew about the breakfast coming. And let's see if there's any other news going on with Wendy's. Now, we always have to look at the stats, because this is when you find out when you should get in and if you should just nibble just to start a position. But if you really want to form a position with Wendy's, I would prefer to get in at $20. So Wendy's is up. It's at its 52-week high right now at $25.69. As we can see in pre-market, wow, it is up 11%. Wow. So that's Wendy's. And let's see if there's any other news going on. Oh, okay. So Wendy's jumps with good news on earnings and dividend. So Wendy's stock shot up 5% in early trade, and they do pay a dividend. So that's always, again, this is what happens when a company decides to increase their dividend. More investors decide to get involved. I mean, investors like Warren Buffett, those type of people, because it's essentially stocks is like money. It's like appreciating money. So if you tell an investor, hey, I'm going to pay you to hold my stock, I'm going to increase the amount. So if I was paying you, let's say 8 cents per share, and I'm going to tell you, I'm going to pay you 12 cents per share. That gets a lot of new investors involved, because it's like, hey, if I take my $10,000 and I leave it in the bank, I get 8% a year. But if I take my money and put it in their stock, I get 10 or 12% a year. So this is exciting news. Wendy's on that news of increasing their dividend jumps. And also we've got the new product, the new breakfast menu. And it's been, I guess what you want to call it, pilot program. On and off certain locations have had the breakfast menu at Wendy's, but it looks like now they're picking up traction and it's showing in their quarterly earnings call. So that's great. Wendy's stock is on the move, and I'm sure it'll continue to increase with the dividend going up. And as always, you can take a look here at the bottom. It tells you the dividend 1.74. So again, Wendy's has increased their dividend and they just beat on earnings call. The next ticker we're going to talk about here is Marvell Technologies, ticker symbol MRVL. Now this is great. Marvell Technologies is a semiconductor company, and their chips actually go into a lot of vehicles. So again, the stock is up in pre-market from $48 to $50 a share. So that's a $2 pop. That's pretty good profit-wise. Just imagine you own 100 shares of Marvell Technology, and if it gets a 5% pop, that's $200. That's a nice move. Marvell Technology is in pre-market trading. As you can see, the 52-week high is $55.70 per share, and the 52-week low is $32 per share. I don't see this stock going backwards. It has gone backwards for a few months, but as the cars come back online, they have a lot of contracts with Ford and Chevy and a lot of these big autos. As the chips come back online, I see nothing but profits in the future. I see this stock increasing, and as manufacturing comes online and the logistics chain get all sorted out, I see this stock going into the $60 range. So that is Marvell Technologies surging here in pre-market 5%. Next ticker I want to talk about is, this is just a blast from the past. This is yesterday information. It is down in pre-market. It is Biogen. So Biogen yesterday, they got approval. Let me show you. Okay, so this was yesterday. It was $286. So today is $395. So that huge jump. Let's talk about what Biogen is. Biogen is an American multinational biotech company based in Massachusetts, specialized in development, discovery of therapies and treatment for neurological. So, okay, this is Alzheimer's. So basically they came up with a therapy to help with Alzheimer's. So it was FDA approved yesterday. So this thing jumped huge yesterday, like 30%. So this is awesome information. Biogen got FDA approval. And so I just wanted to put that on your radar, that FDA pre-approved Biogen, ticker symbol BIIB. Okay, the next ticker we're going to talk about is Roblox. Roblox is up again in pre-market 1.78%. So it's up a little bit this morning. It's still in a good buy zone, I feel. Like I said, I really believe the price target on this, give it a few weeks, is 120, 125. The earnings call is set for sometime in August, and the estimated date is August, I think like August 9th. So let's take a look at Roblox. Again, we know that last week it was up at 103-ish. And so it hit its peak last week, but it is a darn good stock. They do video games, and they help the video game digital content creators create games. Its 52-week high is 103, and its 52-week low is $60. Now, mind you, I've been in that stock for only 3 months because the stock has only been around since March. So we don't have a whole lot of information, but it's just been on fire since it's been out. Now, this is different from most IPOs, because most IPOs, after they pop on the initial day, they fall back. but I don't believe Roblox will fall back, because for the simple fact, Roblox has a lot of revenue and it has a growing a total addressable market. I mean, 9 and 12 years old, they stay playing games. So that's Roblox. And then, we have here Mega Plays. She made Roblox into a multi-million-dollar platform. She basically created her own game and characters and sold them to other people. There's an article here by Bloomberg. So Roblox is still hot, and I definitely suggest people get involved with Roblox, because it is going to be a long-term play. But not only that, in the next month or so, I believe it can hit 125. So that's my review this morning. Top 3 is Stitch Fix, or ticker symbol SFIX. Second symbol is Wendy's, WEN. And third is UAVS. And I'll throw in Marvel Technologies. I've been a big fan of Marvel Technologies. Again, these are the semiconductors that are put in many of the auto manufacturing vehicles, Fords, GMs, etc. And I want to cover one more tip. I'm in my Robinhood, and I don't really look in here too often, but Robinhood has this daily mover. So if you just want to look real briefly every day, check your portfolio here. Daily movers, they talk about what was hot either yesterday or even maybe in early market trading. And another stock that was hot yesterday was Clover Health, ticker symbol CLOV. So that was really hot yesterday. And there was a lot of people that made a lot of money. It came in at like $8 or $9, and it shot up to $10. And again, it's still surging. So that's Clover Health, ticker symbol CLOV. Again, I will have the links below. I will have the Robinhood link. I will have the Webull link below, and the WealthFront. For those of you who just want their money invested, I have the WealthFront link, and they do not charge for the first 500 with WealthFront. And then, as always, you have the Robinhood link and the Webull link, and get your free shares of stock. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. And please like and subscribe.